This is fourth grade lesson number 49. We're going to be looking at multiplication facts. And before we get started, I got a little joke for you here. And the joke starts something like this. How did the barber win the race? How did the barber win the race? All right, here we go with our lesson. We're learning kind of the basic idea of what it means to multiply. If we add the same number over and over again, we'd call that repeated addition. Here we see the number 8 being added 7 different times. And so that's the same thing as 8 times 7. And 8 times 7 is 56. And 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is also 56. Because it means the same idea. So I'd like you to go ahead and do numbers 2 all the way up through 5. Pause the video, turn it back on when you want to see the solutions. So here we have 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, 6 nines, right? So that's the same thing as 9 times 6, and 9 times 6 is 54, and so are all those 9s added together. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, so we have 9 times 8, and that's 72. And when you add them all together, you also get 72. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 eights. And we see the number 8 8 times. So we write 8 times 8, which is 64. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 times 7 is 63. So hopefully you got all those right. Those aren't too hard. All right, and these are families of facts. Families of facts are, well, actually I want to show this to you. Well, let's say we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we do that 3 times. Da, 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 da. Those are supposed to all be x's. It's kind of like area of a shape, right? So we have 3 on this side and 8 on that side. What do we have in the middle? We have 24 of those. And so you can see that we have 3 times 8 is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 divided by 3 is 8. And 24 divided by 8 is 3. And those are all shown right here. It's a family of facts. It's the same 3 numbers used in every single problem, 8, 3, and 24. All right, go ahead and pause the video, do 7 through 9. Turn it back on when you're ready for the solutions there. So 4 times 6, you should have already done this, is 24. You reverse the numbers, and you have 6 times, 4, which is 24. And then both of these should have 24 as the dividend. The divisor on one of your division problems should be a 6 and a 4 on the other one. Now, if you reverse these, you still have them right. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 here, 3 here, 27. Should have a 27 on the inside of both. A 9 on the outside of the divisor on one and a 3 on the other one. And of course, you get the opposite of the answer. Okay. 7 times 4, 28. 4 times 7 is 28. Then you do 28 divided by 7 is 4. And 28 divided by 4 is 7. Again, if you reverse these, you're totally fine. All right, we got 4 more to do here. Families of facts. Pause the video. Do all 4 of these. Turn it back on when you're ready to see the solutions. So 12 times 3 is 36. 3 times 12. 36. 36 divided by 3 is 12. 36 divided by 12 is 3. 10 times 6 is 60, of course. 6 times 10 is 60. 60 divided by 10 is 6. You can reverse these two, of course. And 60 divided by 6 is 10. 11 times 9 is 99. 9 times 11, 99. Both of these should have 99 on the inside. One of them you divide by 9, and the other one you divide by 11. 12 times 4 is 48. 4 times 12, 48. 12 divided by 4. Oops, no, not 12 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4 is 12. And 48 divided by 12 is 4. I think I said that a little bit wrong, but you get the idea, I'm sure. All right, we got some math facts to practice here. Why don't you go ahead and pause the video, do all of these. And you don't need to show your work on these. These are just math facts, so just write the answer right up here on the top line as fast as you can. So pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready for the solutions. All right, so you ready to see the answers? Well, let's give you the answer first to the riddle that you had. The riddle was, how did the barber win the race? And the answer is, he knew a shortcut. Woo-hoo-hoo! There are your answers. Pause the video. Make sure that you have all of those correct. If you don't, fix the ones you have wrong. And thank you for enjoying another math lesson with Mr. Badley.